CNC engraving and milling machine. When the 8mm tool is used for roughing, the spindle speed is 7,500 revolutions per minute and the depth is 0.3. When it is processing is steel. Finishing spindle speed 20,000 revolutions per minute ball cutter processing. Three-dimensional surface processing smoothness reaches 0.8. Use safe and durable servo tool magazine. Sample of customer steel mold. Copper mold pattern. Hydraulic mold template. Hot stamping mold template. Ceramic processing template. Precision run-out detection of spindle. The side metering accuracy of the assembly guide rail is less than 0.005. The assembly accuracy of the guide rail is less than 0.003 mm. The assembly accuracy of Japan's NSK screw rod is less than 0.01. Our Y5 for ATC 6 a 7.5 kilowatt